Understanding the phrase, setting a trap, in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, setting a trap. This phrase can be both literal and metaphorical, and understanding its various uses can really enhance your English skills. Let's explore what it means and how it's used in everyday language. When we talk about setting a trap, in its most literal sense, it refers to the physical act of preparing a trap to catch something, typically an animal. This involves placing a device or a contraption designed to capture or ensnare. In this context, the phrase is straightforward and relates to hunting or capturing. Setting a trap is often used metaphorically. In this sense, it means to create a situation where someone is tricked or forced into doing something they wouldn't normally do. It's a strategic move, like in a game of chess, where you plan several steps ahead to lead someone into a mistake or a disadvantageous position. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. In business, the competitor was accused of setting a trap by lowering prices, only to increase them later. 2. In relationships, he felt like his partner was setting a trap by asking tricky questions about his past. 3. In legal contexts, the lawyer was careful not to set a trap for himself by making inconsistent statements. There are several expressions related to setting a trap that are also useful. Laying a trap, similar to setting a trap, but often used in more figurative contexts. Falling into a trap. This means to be caught or tricked by the trap someone else has set. Baiting a trap refers to putting something attractive in the trap to lure the target. I hope this video has been enlightening in understanding the phrase, setting a trap. It's a versatile expression with both literal and metaphorical uses, reflecting strategy, caution, and sometimes deceit. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.